Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hey everybody, this is the project I have to share with you today. I know that we have all these embellishments from Stampin' Up! And of course they're round. They're very nice in their own little plastic containers here, but I find it rather hard to store them. So as you can see, the bird trinkets, the sequin mixes, the sail away trinkets. So I actually created this little box to hold them in so that I can grab them as I need them or be able to sort of sort through them. And I even have my shimmer paints stored in here as well. So I'm going to share with you how to make it. Now, if you had a need for it, you could also put in this is one of the paper pumpkin acrylic blocks. So it fits just fine. I don't have a big one to share with you, but it does fit in there as well. So it's just like a nice, where you can put it on your craft desk and you can grab the things that you need straight away. It just helps a little bit for organization. And I wanted to share with you how to make it. All right, so here's my scoring board. I have a piece of cardstock that is 6 1/4 by 9, and I'm going to score at 2 1/2 on each side. And then on the short side, I'm going to score at 2 1/2 and 5 1/4. Okay, so I am going to fold all my score lines and burnish them. I'm just going to cut up on all the score lines. And this is a piece of pattern paper that is 2 3/8 by 3 7/8. Let me just double check on that. Yeah, 3 7/8 by 2 3/8. So that's just for the back. All right, and now we're going to put the box together and then put on the last piece of paper. So I'm going to put adhesive along this whole back side. So this piece gets adhesive all over it. So I'm making an adhesive square. We're going to be cutting some of this off. It probably would work if you had wet glue. It would be probably a little bit better. All right, so now I'm going to attach, I'm just going to leave that with the glue on it for now because I'm going to put glue on the back side of this as well. Okay, now we're all gluey and let's not hope we get tangled in. So we're bringing the front part up to, and I'm actually pushing this piece of card right into the crease, and I'm bringing this middle piece up to meet it. I'm going to get a really nice square corner here. And the same with this guy. Okay, so now that that's done, you can see, I'm going to bring these pieces that already have the adhesive on up in. All right, and so now with my scissors, I'm going to cut from here to here. So a long pair of scissors actually works better, so you can do it in kind of like 1 or 2 little bites. And do the same on this one. There we go. So there's that. And don't worry about this little mess here. We'll tidy that up. If there is any hanging over, take care of it now. And then I just have a piece that is, I don't know, 6 inches, because that's probably the piece that I had. It was only 6 inches. And basically, I've put adhesive along the whole thing, but I'm going to make sure that my corners get adhesive on it. And then I'm just going to place this guy in the center. So I believe this is 3/4 of an inch. Let me double check. Yep, 3/4 of an inch. And then I'm just going to fold the corners in. I don't care that the corners are there. And I suppose if you wanted to, you could carry it all the way. Or like this one, you can snip it right off. I did add a few little extra features to this one that I may do that on this one. I have my old retired enamel dots. You can see that I used for little feet, so it slides a little bit better. And then I did put a little piece of ribbon and with a little tab so that I was able to pull it from where it was hiding on one of my shelves, because it was very close next to something. So if I knew that I wanted these embellishments, I would just pull that little ribbon, and that's an easy enough one. You just put adhesive on a ribbon, fold it in half to make the little tab, and put it down the middle. So this one, I think I'll just put the feet on and leave it at that. So this one might hold my extra acrylic blocks. Anyway, that's the share I'm sharing with you today. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I always want to grow my channel, so thank you very much. And for those of you who've been watching me for years and years and years, thank you so much for your time. I'm grateful to all of you, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.